Hey there, future millionaires. Ever felt like the world saying, you need money to make money, was true for you? Well, throw that notion out the window because in today's video, we're diving deep into the secrets of becoming rich with absolutely no money. That's right, no initial investment required. And stick around because we're about to shatter some myths and lay down the roadmap to your financial success. Will you be rich or poor? Discipline, perseverance, consistency, and creativity are some factors that separate the rich from the poor. This video will take you on a journey that will have you questioning some of your previous decisions and making better ones shortly. It sounds ridiculous teaching how to get rich from nothing, right? I mean, there are videos on how to get rich quick, several ways to get rich, secrets to getting rich, and many more. But you've hardly watched videos on the internet speaking on how to get rich starting from nothing. In this video, we will be looking into tips on how to become rich with no money. Before your wealth arrives, there are some behaviors you should internalize. In other words, some behavioral changes should be a part of you as they would prepare you and teach you how to manage your coming wealth. Let's have a look at some of these changes. Number 1. Have healthy habits. Your desires to get rich without money adds to your list of already existing stress factors. And when you don't have a healthy lifestyle, it creates more problems. You should eat well and exercise regularly. It is only with good health and long life that you can enjoy your riches. After all, health is wealth. Number 2. Be self-disciplined and have the right mindset. Being self-disciplined will enable you to get tasks done, even when you're not in the mood and there's no one there to motivate you. It's also important for you to always be able to get into the right frame of mind before carrying out any task, as your mind is your greatest asset. Number 3. Have a vision. Your wealth begins with your vision. Your vision is the dream that spurs you to be a better person, a wealthier person. You should have dreams that push you to create better ideas and to be consistent in your work. Your vision should not just be getting rich, but it should be related to the end point, which is what getting rich will do for you. Number 4. Keep learning. Never stop learning. Always read, listen to audiobooks, and adhere to the advice given by your predecessors. It will help you avoid their mistakes and teach you things that would have been difficult to learn on your own. And this will enable you to achieve your goals faster. Also, always keep an open mind when learning. What may help you strike gold may be something you learned a long time ago. Number 5. Pursue market opportunities. This simply means that you should always be on the lookout for small gigs or side hustles related to any skills you may have. Be willing to take risks and make mistakes. Doubting the possibility of getting rich while starting from nothing is normal. And while it is very possible to become rich, it is also not an easy feat. But if you're willing and consistent, there are things you can do that work. Things you can do to become rich with no money. Number 6. Use your skills. This is one of the most important things you must know in your journey to know how to become rich with no money. A lot of people possess skills that are well sought after and that can be monetized. But because they do not believe their skills are needed, they let them go to waste. People who want to become rich believe in creating their opportunities. For instance, if you're skilled in crochet weaving or pottery making, you could make some items and sell them to your schoolmates or friends. If you're good with makeup, you could become a makeup artist for a studio or even a movie set. If you have the patience to teach, you could also become a tutor and teach people your skills without even practicing. Number 7. Develop new skills and knowledge. Jim Rohn, the wealthy entrepreneur, once said, "Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune." This is candid advice for those who claim not to have a skill. There are a lot of courses and programs on the internet, some free and others paid for, that can teach you a skill. Most of them even offer certificates, and you can get all of these from the comfort of your home. There are also a lot of new skills in high demand currently. Skills like coding, digital marketing, brand strategy, web development, and many more. Number 8. Start your own business. Understanding how to become rich with no money depends on how best you can throw around your creativity. If you wish to start your own business, do something you are passionate about. It is easier to be consistent in a business if you have fun doing it than if you don't, because then it seems like a boring chore. Your business should bring about a solution to an already existing problem, not create new problems. Find the perfect idea, do your research, review your environment, social class of your potential customers, product, get organized, and make it official. If you can find a new approach towards a niche and build a business around it, then you have the potential to be successful in it. Number 9. Create content. You can get paid for creating content for people. It could be for a company's website, blog, vlog, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or an e-commerce site. As long as you can create meaningful, relevant content, people will always come back for your service and even spread the word about you. Number 10. Write an ebook. Choose a popular topic for your ebook, but write about something you have the knowledge and genuine interest in. You may spend months writing, proofreading, and editing your book. The more time and effort you put into it, the better the result. Once your ebook is ready for publication, the next step is to consider the best platform you can make the most money of. Number 11. Live below your means. Try to curb unhealthy spending habits like buying things on credit, buying things on the spot, and buying expensive items you don't need. Spend less than you earn so you're never left stranded. Living below your means is vital for your money to grow. Number 12. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a branch of marketing in which you get paid for recommending a particular product to your readers or viewers. It's pretty easy to become an affiliate marketer. You just need to be able to convince people to buy a product or service. You can then get a link on your blog or social media page that people can click on to know more about it. Once a purchase is made, you get a commission. It's the coolest cash you will ever make. Number 13. Save, save, and save. It is important to save a fraction of whatever little income you get. You can start small and increase your savings later as your income increases. This is to instill the habit in you. Saving is not always easy, but you need to get used to it if you want to become rich with no money. A simple way to go about it would be to make a monthly budget according to your income. This would help you remove a portion to save and curtail unnecessary spending. Number 14. Invest. Investments are a great way to get rich. Like savings, investments are usually done with your spare cash. But unlike savings, investments bring returns and profit. It is about letting your money work for you. There are different kinds of investments, hence, you should find out which is best for you. Also, there are a lot of risks involved, so it is important to know everything about the business and take only calculated risks. To avoid getting scammed, it would be wise to take business advice from professionals before investing your money into any business. Number 15. Be disciplined. You would never know how to become rich with no money if you're not a disciplined person. Being disciplined is extremely important and helpful on your journey to riches. Earlier on, it was mentioned that to help you save, you should create a monthly budget. Only discipline would make you stick to the budget and any other financial plans you may have. It also ensures that you achieve any financial targets or goals you may have set within the stipulated time. And there you have it, aspiring wealth builders. If you found these tips on how to become rich with no money valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content on mastering your finances, and ring that notification bell to stay updated. Remember, financial freedom starts with an adaptable mindset. See you in the next video. Cheers!